Halo, assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Tuhan ya, sudah selamat sampai di tujuan. Wah, ini induk nih. Kita mau pulang kampung nih.
That you're feeling this way. I've long known that you're bothered by something. I don't believe that you're right when you say that we're better off this way. I guess it's true as my mother did say, you can't trust a soul that's been shattered. All those moments we shared face to face, was it all just a game you played? You tell me that it's over, that we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way. We're underwater, way off the shoreline. I try to reach you, but you're drifting away. We're underwater, but there's still time left. If we want it, we can breathe again, breathe again. Don't leave me stranded this way. We have come too far to give it all away. I know it hurts to think back on when we met. Everything was easy then, but baby, we can find a way to get back to us again. We're underwater, way off the shoreline. I try to reach you, but you're drifting away. We're underwater, but there's still time left. If we want it, we can breathe again, breathe again.
Anak Allah urang di padang gaduh, hendak ke balai harilah sanjo, singgah dahulu di Bandakian, manangi denai dalam salimu, di malah adik kamu kau.
Jangan lupa di like and subscribe.